No. Did you turn yours off? Cadito. What? I turned my thing off. It's the middle one. So what did you need? He can't hear me.
He turned it off again.
Can you hear me?
No, he turned it off, Violet. Give him a minute.
Hello? Oh,
You have to hold. You don't have to break your finger, son. No, don't touch that one again.
Can you hear me? No.
Whoops.
Mom, I undid it, but it's not working. You hear me? No. Yes.
Push your button to talk.
Where are you?
Push your button to talk and hold it. You have to hold it.
I'm near you. Near you. I'm far away. Go far away, Zach.
I give up.